I told you before about the Geezer Glide trees, so we're gonna get those on there with the 49mm conversion. And these, we got these prototype LED fog lights for the cowbells on it. We got some LA choppers, bars, route and get everything. We're gonna get these forks out of here, and then we're gonna get the 49mm Geezer Glide conversion trees on there. So yeah, buddy. So we got the fork lock installed, had a flat net, just kind of went by their instructions that they queued up. You got to take away a little material right here, just because when, you know, it's easier to see when the top tree's on it, but when the fork goes, the actual tube just being a larger diameter, you got to make sure that, but just refer to their instructions for these Geezer Glide trees. He's got all the instructions on GeezerGlide.com and everything. So just getting this all clearanced up, then got his the Geezer Glide cowbells mounted up. He's these are still like a prototype, but these have the fog lights in them. Then he's also doing ones with fog lights and turn signals. So pretty sweet stuff.